Hey, this is Walt with $3 Auto Body Parts, and today is day, we'll call it 15 and 16. Spent a lot of time last night getting a lot of odds and ends buttoned up on the car, and today should be drive day, the first day that we take it out with the 6-speed in the car. So pretty excited about that. Just getting some things taken care of underneath the car, but just wanted to show you how the final installation was. A little hard to see, but I think everything went in pretty clean. Let's see the lines for the clutch. The one thing I do like is there's plenty of clearance around the transmission. The tunnel came out pretty well as far as the clearance goes. I could pretty much get my hand up all the way around it. I've seen where some people that do the conversions, they put holes in the transmission tunnel to get this to the upper bolts. It's tight, but I can get those in there with some long extensions. It works pretty well. So that came out pretty good. Wiring's not great, but it's in there right now. And looking back, everything is in, getting ready to check to get the car down on 4 wheels and check the pinion angle in it. As I said before, I don't think it should be too far off, but we'll see how it is. This is a 4-link car, so it's pretty easy to adjust. There is, I don't know if you can see them there, the 4-link bars are up there. So just got to take the nuts loose on those and adjust that. Nice little angle gauge. I think I got this at like Home Depot. If you buy like a racing type gauge, they're $30–40. I think I picked this up at Home Depot for like 15 bucks. So seems to work pretty well. Just basic digital angle gauge. There are some odd and ends things that I need to do yet. I may put some other brackets to the front exhaust, maybe off the bell housing or something, because there's nothing really that holds it up front here, but it is supported back here and in the back, so it kind of holds the weight of everything. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, but so yeah, hopefully the next video you see will be of the car maybe moving under its own power, or at least the wheels moving for the time being. I have to get the car up on jack stands and I'm going to run it through the gears and make sure everything seems to work pretty good. And if that's all good, then we're heading out on the road.
So a few of you wanted to hear the Camaro run, so here's just a quick walk around so you can hear what it sounds like.